Reported speech, requests, orders, and questions. How to form reported requests, orders, and questions. For requests and orders in direct speech, use asked, me, him, her, to, and told, me, him, her, to, in reported speech. For example, please make 10 copies of this report. She asked me to make 10 copies of the report. Go to the bank. He told me to go to the bank. Yes or no questions in direct speech, use asked if and wanted to know if in reported speech. Are you coming to the party? He asked if I was coming to the party. Has John seen the new movie? She wanted to know if John had seen the new movie. For other questions that are not yes or no questions, use asked or wanted to know in the reported question. When was the company founded? She asked when the company was founded. What kind of car do you drive? He wanted to know what kind of car I drive. Requests and orders. Asked me to is used for requests. Told me to is stronger. It is used for orders or commands. The main verb stays in the infinitive. He asked me to make copies. He told me to go to the bank. Yes or no questions. Asked if and wanted to know if are equal. The main verb changes according to the rules for reported statements. Did you turn off the TV? She asked if I had turned off the TV. We don't use the auxiliary verbs do, does, or did in the reported question. Other questions. Asked and wanted to know are equal. We don't use the auxiliary verb do or does in the reported question. Where does he work? She wanted to know where he works. In questions with the verb to be, the word order changes in the reported question. Where were you born? He asked where I was born. He asked where was I born is incorrect.